BIOFIRE Mycoplasma from BIOFIRE allows virtually anyone to test for Mycoplasma. Anywhere, at any time. With a small footprint, minimal hands-on time, and with results in under an hour, BIOFIRE makes it easy to quickly test at any point in the manufacturing process. And because no PCR skills or lab are required, in-process testing can be moved out of the lab and closer to production. BIOFIRE Mycoplasma makes complex testing simple and accessible. The assay consists of only two components: the SPOTFIRE instrument and the single-use consumable. Preparing the sample requires only 2 minutes of hands-on time, with a total runtime of just 46 minutes. BIOFIRE's automated multiplex PCR-based system meets pharmacopoeia regulatory requirements for product release testing, detecting more than 130 species of Mycoplasma. And data integrity and traceability are assured through 21 CFR Part 11 enabled software with review approval workflows and electronic signatures. With its small footprint, the system is able to perform extraction, amplification, and detection that typically requires several larger instruments. The science happens in the single-use consumable we call a molecular lab in a pouch. The silica and magnetic beads are used for nucleic acid extraction and purification. The first stage PCR includes reverse transcription with a multiplex PCR. The second stage is a nested PCR with a total of 14 unique PCR reactions, targeting 3 different genes to detect over 130 species of Mycoplasma. Multiple controls throughout the extraction, amplification, and detection stages help ensure accurate results while eliminating intricate manual steps. Preparing the sample is simple. The technician loads the pouch into the loading block. Hydration solution is injected into the pouch through the blue inlet port. The sample is added to the sample injection vial using the transfer pipette. Sample buffer is added to the sample injection vial. The lid of the sample injection vial is closed, and the vial is inverted 3 times to mix the sample. The sample buffer mixture is injected into the pouch through the red inlet port. The pouch can now be loaded into the SPOTFIRE instrument. The SPOTFIRE software reports either Mycoplasma detected or Mycoplasma not detected. To learn how anyone can perform Mycoplasma testing anywhere at any time, contact your BIOFIRE representative.